take out your air filter. There, runs better without that in there. Those aren't very tight. Probably because they're mock-up. Just like this, it just laying in here also. I could put a gasket between the carburetor and this vacuum plate, but you have to play between the shims to figure out what you need to make it fit correctly. So I already know I just need a thin shim, so that'd be this one. A little bit of oil on the O-rings here to hopefully protect them, make sure they don't get damaged. I had two of these. Okay. Moved up. No, I didn't do the cables yet. Yeah, I'll deal with that later, I guess. Probably right back and do it again to do the cables. Those in there because I don't need them. Alright, we'll probably be back and just do it again anyway. So that goes in there like that. This goes in there like that. The O-ring goes in here someplace. So it's just a matter, do you want to put this spacer on the inside here or put it against the head? I think I would have it against the head. Better chance of losing it though. And let's see if we get it in here. We can put this in here. Maybe. Not very well. It does not want to go over the O-ring in that little small gap. So we gotta figure out what we're gonna do to make that work. See if we can't screw it in there. There we go. I did it. Oh, screwed on and off pretty easy. Okay, so the O-ring will just barely touch do the seal. Hope that's enough. We'll have to put the O-ring against the head, which would probably be a better way of doing it, but that one went on a lot easier. Okay. So now, this has to go on here like this. Supposed to be a tight fit here. It's not going to O-ring seal if it doesn't even touch the damn O-rings. That's pretty, not really good. Probably why it leaked before. Not very good. Alright, well, whatever. Of course, everything's falling out as I'm trying to do this. So whatever. Let's see how it works. Yeah, we had a wrench. There it is. Oh, wrench right here, dumbass, right in front of you. Use the one in front of you, it works better. Those are started. too, which will be interesting to do. I got it tight for some reason. Bit. Why it's so tight. Obviously that washer is not in the right spot. Yep. Had to hold up in the right spot to make it work. Okay, now we get to do the Loctite on these. It's going to take a miracle to get to those throttle cables. This appears to be plugged up. Wonderful. Okay, so unplugged, and the phone rings. We'll be back.